you know you can find solace in something small, which is relative, but it can be something very huge. So last night I got to a point where I could basically, well, what I earned was half of what I wanted to earn in the morning. So technically, waking up, I only have half to do. But what's good about that first one was came relatively quickly, and it already did half of what the half that was left. It was just something slight though, right? So it's cool. Now what I'm trying to think. We back to farming. We in the zone. Not auto zone. But technically at a abandoned drive-through that nobody owns currently. So we wait patiently. And while we wait, see last time, and that's the other thing, like I didn't even get a chance to load the cigar pipe up. But it's a decent number of stores. It's a strip. Not a stripper mall, but it's a decent number of stores. It's not a stripper store, but it's a decent number of stores on this strip. So we wait. For the perfect time, the perfect moment, the perfect place, the perfect date. Thankfully, we're waiting in the shade. But this is not the same shade that's in Miami-Dade. Where you want to go for your birthday? It's an excellent thing to think about. I think I want to go to Miami for my birthday. But I've never been to Vegas, though. I want to know if the hype is real. What's all the hype about in Vegas? I've been to Miami. I like it. So should I go for something I know I'm going to like? Or try something different? Because it got a lot of hype. Vegas or Miami? Which one would you rather spend your birthday in? I'm not taking Spanish. I'm taking Italian. Benvenuti Benvenuti nella giungla dei graffiti. Parlo più lingue. This is Tangential Thoughts Chat Show. Pensieri Tangenziali. A podcast sui sigari. Sono il tuo capo, Gihareh. I'm your chief, Gihareh. Cigar Talk Podcast. I don't look like anybody. I look like me. That's not the question. But my previous coworker taught me Spanish. ¿Cómo te ayudas? Yo estoy organizando. Yo olvidé. Tú olvidaste. Igualmente. I know Spanish and Italian. Would you rather date a Spanish or an Italian? Let's say they're both equally pretty. They both have fat asses. No kids. Smart. Personality. Which one would you go for? The Italian or the Hispanic? If we're talking about cars, you get the test drive. You get a little experience, what you get yourself into. We're not talking about cars. You just want to get a little experience, what you're going to get yourself into. Is it worth committing to? So, see the hot spot changed. It got a little shorter. So you could change locations if you want to get more orders. The beauty in doing this way is that the puff break hit different now. I take the puff break whenever. Puff break doesn't have to end. Now, isn't that beautiful? That your puff break gets longer. Your puff break now gives you enough time to puff as much as you would like. If that's what you want to do. We might have to get a crop top. There was weeks we was doing like 20 crop tops in a week. Then you drop to none. I need to do one. Right now, this is what we call farming. Just wait for something that's going to be alarming. And when the alarm rings, the delivery will bring, and what we bringing? Food. What you delivering? Food. Everybody got to eat. Niggas eat every day, B. They just don't got to eat with me. At my table. You eat at your table, I eat at my table. We don't got to talk. Keep things cordial. Now, imagine you get to a stage in life and then you finally figure it all out. Should you stay on that stage and completely master it and take over? Or should you get a new stage? Which is better? If you playing Monopoly, is it better to get another property or to build on top of the property that you have? The old saying goes, don't keep all your eggs in one basket. But you have multiple streams of revenue. Multiple chances to hit. It's nice that they land on this one, but they might be able to land on multiple. Get a new stage. All right, let's see what the hot spot. The next hot spot is 3 miles away. One hot spot is 1 mile away. The next hot spot is 5 miles away. Now, you should post that by if you're just gonna farm and sit. If you connect the dots, they make a triangle. Would you rather sit inside of the triangle or right outside the triangle? Somewhere in the middle. You're really close to one, close to another, and then the other. But they're all within a 5 mile radius. No. I'm just gonna let that sit. But I wanna do a little math. See if I can solve this problem in less than 5 minutes. So, I currently have 3 ratings. 2 5-star ratings and 1 1-star rating for an average of 3.67. I need to get to at least a 4.5 rating. So how many 5-star ratings do I need to get? So that equals up to 4.5. So on top, the way to get your average for your ratings, the ratio is the value of the sum total of your ratings divided by how many ratings you have. Right now, the goal is 4.5. Now we're trying to figure something out here. So there's a variable. We don't know how much it is. So right now we know have 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. Now how many times do I have to add 5-star ratings? We don't know how many times we have to add, but 5 plus 5 repeated addition is multiplication. So how many 5s do we have to add? 5x. Now we currently have 3 ratings. At the bottom should just be number of ratings. So that is, how many more ratings do we have to have? That's x. And that needs to equal 4.5. Now, you might want, some say you could cross multiply. There's a 1 underneath that 4.5, so 1 times 11 plus 5x is still just gonna be 11 plus 5x, equal to, I'm gonna go ahead and distribute that 3. This is gonna be a 3x plus 3 times 4.5. 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times the 0.5 is 1.5. So if my math is, the math is mathing, that's 13.5. Now, we need to solve this. Now we have 11 plus 5x equal to 3x plus 13.5. Now, move the 3x over, so 2x equal to, subtract the 11 over, 2.5, I think is left over. Now 2.5, this shit is not, hell no, I fucked up somewhere. This is not right. Oh, where did I mess up at? This is why you need to show your work so you can see where you possibly messed up at. I was supposed to be doing 4.5 times 3, which is 13.5. But I also should have had 4.5 times x. So this should be 4.5. It should be 4.5 times x. Which means 5x minus 4.5x is 0.5x equal to 2.5. Now, how many 5-star ratings do I need to average up to a 4.5? 2.5 divided by 0.5. Well, 0.5 and 0.5 is 1. So that's 2. 2 more of those is 4. And 1 more of those. I need 5. I also could have just did 25 divided by 5. I need 5 5-star ratings to get back to an average of 4.5. Okay. Got a DoorDash. Got a blast. Lamborghini DoorDash.